Our National Geographic butterflies hatched. We bought the caterpillars from Amazon. They were in sugar water type solid mixture, and they got to eat all that food and then cocoon.
What is he doing?
And now we have butterflies in this beautiful container. It's a really cool thing to be able to do at home.
Yeah.
And there's the anatomy, and this is the exact ones that hatched right here. Super cute. Elena, you want to say something? Oh, let's see.
No, but he does.
Oh. Let's see. Just don't beat your diaper. You'll get me another community strike.